Hi, this is Jerry from Comfort Windows. Today we're going to talk about seamless gutters. As you know, it rains in central New York and it rains in New York all the time, and you got to get that water away from your foundation. Man, it ruins your landscaping and it seeps and gets your basement walls really wet. So what we do is an aluminum seamless gutter. Aluminum is great because it doesn't rot and it's not going to rust on you. We can make them in one piece with no seams and direct the downspouts to get that water away from your foundation wherever it comes from. You can also complement your house with a variety of colors that are also available. And for people that live in the areas where there's a lot of trees, we have what they call the clean sweep system that attaches to the top of the gutter. The water goes in the slots, leaves run right over it, and your gutters don't clog. What a perfect combination. And the one most important thing is that Comfort uses absolutely no subcontractors. We run these off and we put these in ourselves, and that's important.